Hello everyone, myself Friend Av Academy. Welcome back to the new video of the series Hacking the Web using Natas. And today we are going to explore the level 4 as we already crossed the level 3. So here we got the URL on which we need to perform our testing skills. So if you will log in, you will need password as usual. Sorry, the username and the password you got from previous level. You can log in using it. The credentials are the same. This one JD1. I already logged in because I was making the Hindi video. Okay, so now let's continue. So first thing, like let's check the source code again. I don't think there will be. Okay, this is the stuff. Whatever. There is one thing I would like to notice. Div ID is equal to view source, but here is the location is index.php, but we are only getting the URL. I mean to say, there is a directory after this, but how will that directory come without using this page? Like if I will click on this, then that page will be opened, right? But without that. So we are gonna do some experiments over here. See, try to understand well because this is sorry. I thought I was in full screen. You don't need to be too fast for understanding, or you don't need to see like you don't feel that you are back from other people. If you just started, don't worry, you will take time to learn things properly. So we will inspect it and we will go to the network tab, then refresh. One thing you would notice, like everyone, like whoever will come first time, here you can see access disallowed, you are visiting. Here you can see refresh page. So many people will do what? They will press F5 or they will refresh from here. But if we refresh from here, here you can see the HTML file. So if we see the request, there is nothing. It's as usual, the headers are okay. But in the source code, we saw index.php. So how that will come? So one thing I would like to notice here that why this hyperlink is given. The main purpose of the hyperlink is to provide us one thing, the referrer. Who is referring here us? Access is disallowed because the referrer is Natas 4. But if Natas 5 will refer us, then what will happen? We will get access to the password, and here you can see the referrer. Oh, sorry. Referrer basically it will give you access. Right now you will say how we need to intercept this, like we can change it from here. So my answer is no. You need to use Bubsuit, the community edition. If we are the pro version or you know about this thing, you can go well. There is no issue. So just click on refresh page once and click. Oh, sorry. First, we need to change the Foxy proxy to Bubsuit so that the request will be intercepted. Then we need to intercept on. Here we go. Let's refresh the page and boom, we got the request. Let's right click, send to the repeater. Either you can do it directly if you will click like Natas 5 here and you will forward. Uh, Nothing happened. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, no problem. There is no issue if the request is not going properly. Okay, so here we can see we got the intruder. Even now you can off it. If you send it to the intruder or repeater, then you can enter off the interceptor. I will make videos upon Bubsuit soon, that how Bubsuit works, how you can use Bubsuit properly. So let's go to the repeater, and as I said, the website says we need the access through the Natas 5. So when I will send the request, if we see the render version, the actual version, what is the issue? I should get the password, man. Why it's not working? The everything is going correct, by the way. Okay, let's do one more thing. Okay, we are here. We will catch a new request, right? And we will not send that first to the Oh, sorry, intercept should be on. We will not send it directly. We will directly send this to the repeater. We will off it. We will go to the repeater. We will click on the referrer 5. Then if we will send the data, no, there is some glitch. Right now it was working, but now it's not working. It was giving the password. I don't know why. There is some glitch. Obviously, there is some glitch. What the heck is this glitch, man? Okay, let's say access allowed you are visiting one. See, oh sorry, there should not be index.php maybe. Let's render it. Yes, boom. I got the issue. I got the issue. What was happening that the request I was capturing was coming with index.php. But as you can see, the request should come only from this, not only from this URL, right? Not from any other. So the referrer should be only like this. So here we got the password for the next level. Sorry for my mistake again. See how these are small things changes. Basically, many people panic in this situation. Like, why this is not working? I was doing everything right. Yes, you were doing everything right. Just a small mistake and it was happening. So I hope so. You guys Oh, sorry. I hope so you guys understood well that what was this level about, like how a ethical hacker should think that yes, in this way we can do this thing, in this way we can find the flaws, we can work ethically and things will go in right direction, right? I hope so you like the video. So let's see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay secure. Bye bye regards, Trend Hive Academy.